Hi, so I'm gonna watch IKon. IKon is a new group from YG, and they're the reason why Winter can't come back yet. I'm gonna blame them because I ain't got nobody else to blame. But I'm gonna need a Winter come back already. But anyway, IKon has debuted, and not only debuted, they have come up with 3 videos um, in this time frame of what is it, 3 weeks or so? Oh, God, Jesus, 3 videos? Do we really need 3 videos? It better be good. They better be good. They better be like worth this time. They are like time pass until winter returns already. And I'm gonna watch my type. I'm gonna make it like triple action. I'm just gonna watch all 3. My type is first and play. Okay, so this is called the warm up single. So I guess that's why they came out with 3. They got the warm up, the actual choreography, and then the cool down video. I guess it's probably airplane slow one. I'm guessing. Alright, 7 people, right? This is really like a warm up. It's very just move with it, kind of. You can't do nothing too fast with this. So you ain't the singer. I like his voice the best so far. It's overall a sweet song, but I'm gonna need them to bring it. I still feel like listening to empty at this point, y'all. Feel it. You moving too fast for this song, sir. Oh, he looks so pretty, whoever that one is. I'm just surprised this song still continues. Like, I almost feel like, is it not at the end yet? It just seems real long. It's not even a long video. It's a nice ride, but I don't know if I'm just tired. It's like it just feels like it's dragging. The song feels very dragging. They're feeling it more than I am. Feel it. No. Maybe on another day. Well, how that dude got a blue sweater? Everybody up in there wearing black and like regular colors. He got a blue sweater, trying to stand out. He did stand out though. He's handsome, whoever he is. Y'all ain't passing winner yet. Hopefully on this second one. That song was very kind of. I would say I would enjoy this on a regular day, but when I'm trying to do some comparisons here, it dragged. And also when it's not even that late. It's only 8:22. It's late for me, okay? I'll be out by 9, okay? When it's 8:22 in the nighttime, that song dragged, really dragged. It wasn't even like a, I could just listen to this. I could just, lay down and listen to it, or I could just no. It's just like it's only 2:32. It's still playing. Like it felt long. So here comes the actual dance. Now we're gonna get some rhythm tuck. They named it rhythm tuck. So there has to be some movement up in here. We're gonna really get going. Here we go and play. Okay, you see what I'm saying? Oh, they went on both jazz jerseys. We gonna dance. Okay, no, they said no. No, you not. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and get the dancing in. I'm really distracting me. Okay. Okay, y'all really gonna need to go ahead and dance now. Y'all really make me feel like y'all can't dance. Y'all don't like to dance, really. Y'all just like to go slow. This ain't even mid-tempo. Is it mid-tempo? Oh, this is a handsome one. Oh, he looked completely different that way. I like the curly better. I'm gonna need to see this dance version to see if these boys can really dance. I swear they look different with two different hairstyles. Look like two different people. God dang. I don't know if y'all really getting stuff popping. Oh wait, this man got braids? Twist? He going in. Oh, I'm smiling. Oh snap! That was the best part so far. Get your rolls on. We gon' get it poppin', we gon' get it poppin'. Oh Lord. It's definitely danceable. You can. They ain't dancing, but you can definitely dance this. Somebody's going. Okay, move it, boy. Let's see, I almost forgot that Monster. Let's look at Monster X for a second. Oh, y'all dance in the rain. They can't dance, y'all. Just tell the truth. Is the secret reveal they can't dance? Can I say whoever this man is working them darn twisting his head? You see? The unfairness. How these people get 3 videos and we only got 2, you see? And they never even got to dance. I don't know if I can dance. I've seen clips, like some of them have some moves. Anyway, we're gonna get to this 3rd video. This is the cool down. I don't even know if they really get pumped it up yet, but we're gonna get to this cool down. Airplane and play. Another mid-tempo video. But I like this so far. It hit me when I heard it. Sorry, I can't go back. Yeah, watch it.
Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 네가 오잖아 바람 불잖아 지금 가면 위험한가 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 시간 멈춰봐 내도 괜찮아 그대로 내려줘 아니 나도 채워줘 하루만 시간만 다 기분만 한번만 가벼운 미소만을 남기고 웃는 얼굴로만 떠났지 우리 기약을 굳게 믿는 척하면서 어차피 위해서 내 모든 짓을 해보고 적어도 후회 속에서까지 살지 않기 위해서 girl 평생 그리워지 그대의 존재 그냥 내 품에서도 깊은 잠을 들어 왜 잔인하게 아름다운 저녁 하늘 바라봐 너게 마지막이라니까 또 눈물 나잖아 너를 감싸는 아무리 싫다 너를 밝혀주는 전화를 믿어 이대로 보내기는 아쉬우니까 이건 나와 세상 가장 쓸쓸한 멜로디야 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 네가 오잖아 바람 불잖아 지금 가면 위험하니까 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 시간 멈춰봐 내도 괜찮아 너를 내려줘 아니 나도 채워줘 하루만 시간만 다 기분만 한마디만 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 그거는 가야 해 내일은 안돼 내기 싫은데 가면 언제 오는데 너와 멀어지는 게 난 두려워 우리들은 자연스러운 이별이 될까봐 하루만 시간만 1분만 잠깐 멈춰봐 네가 오잖아 네가 오잖아 지금 가면 위험하니까 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 시간 멈춰봐 내도 괜찮아 너를 내려줘 아니 나도 채워줘 하루만 시간만 다 기분만 한마디만 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐
I don't know what happened in that video, I'll be honest. What was that story? I know the girl just left. Seen Picky the Boy? I didn't see that. I was like that. That song is a good listening song. Put in the background song. But also you can listen to it too. I like that one the most out of the three I heard. And then also I was thinking, I was like, and let me just say, I don't know Winner Like That, because I hadn't listened to the album. I just liked their two songs, and I thought they were going to come out with more, and they didn't. So you felt like I felt like their time was cut short, and I think it's about time for them to come back, and they haven't. And I've been seeing Mino on Show Me the Money, and I like this solo song. And so I was thinking, well, I think Winner has better singers. The singers aren't bad. It's just that some of them, I felt like I was struggling through it. Like I felt like that's a struggle. No, and this is the recorded. This is like their voice, and so I was trying to decipher if they had really good voices or not. I couldn't tell. And so when you're doing that, you're like, that's not good. I thought the voice sounded the best on Airplane. I like this one the most. And I don't know. They ain't repping YG right. You can't just follow Big Bang and be like that. And so I did not. When I think of other boy bands, they didn't come hard. They didn't come fully correct. They came, and it's really just because they're YG that to me they're supposed to stand out. But they got other boy bands to me kind of outshining them. They don't live up to the boy bands that are out there right now, like BTS or GOT7 or even Monster X. I watched them before, and they have more of a presence than them. IKon. There's nothing iconic about it yet, but I mean, groups get better with time. I didn't love BTS at the end, though they came strong since the beginning. I didn't love EXO at the beginning, though EXO did come strong at the beginning. You couldn't tell me EXO couldn't dance from the start. This group is suspect. I don't know if they're dancers. Maybe some of them aren't dancers, so they went easy on them. Or, like I said, sometimes you just need to feel like performances. But you know, sometimes when these groups debut, like they go hard in that dance interview and tricks, they do flips. You're like, whoa, they're showing off what they got. And like, if this is what you've got, wow. Okay, YG, I'll see you. All right. Bye.